The car that came to us today had deep scratches and dents on the door, and we wanted to repair the scratches without reducing the value of the car. First, smooth the inside of the scratches with a credit card and 1500 grit sandpaper so that the scratches do not have sharp edges and are smooth. And finally, mat that part with 2500 grit sandpaper. Using a credit card, fill in the scratches in 3 or 4 steps using the appropriate car color. After each step, the paint should dry a little before starting the next step.